Hello everyone, this is Dean Rootsart, Principal of Mother Margaret Mary High School. I want to go through with you just a short tutorial of how to complete and fill an 8-block schedule for a grade 10 student. Now I do not have all of the courses listed that our school offers, but just a sample so we can have an idea as to how to complete an 8-block schedule. So each 5-credit class consists of makes up one block, or will fill one block, and each 3-credit class will fill a half a block. Students coming into grade 10 need to fill 8 blocks to have their timetable filled. So again, we're just using examples here. But so a student would be taking a 5-credit English class, and again, it doesn't matter, we're not worried about the semester. A 5-credit science class, okay, a 5-credit social studies class, and a 5-credit math class. Okay, so in here we have English, social studies, science, and math. Now some students may choose to then take, here at our school, you would have to take a world religion class. That would be a 3-credit class. So you can see that that fills up a half of a block, as well as all students need to have a phys ed class. Well, for this student, we are going to give this student a 5-credit phys ed class, but you will also see that phys ed also exists in a 3-credit option as well. So now that gives us basically our core, okay, our 4 core for the grade 10 level. I'll get to a 20 level science in just a minute and add that in. And now students have the opportunity to fill in other things. So we still have 2 full blocks, and 1 half block left. So this student really likes to take art, so we are going to give them a 5-credit art. They'd like to maybe try construction, but they're thinking about food, so let's put foods in as well. And now they do want to take construction, but they're not quite sure about whether they want to take it at a 5-credit or a 3-credit. So if they put in a 5-credit class, that would complete their timetable. If they're not quite sure, and maybe they want to take drama, well then we would take out that 5-credit offering, we could put in construction for 3 credits, and then we could pull in drama for 3 credits as well. That is how we complete a 5-credit or an 8-block system here in high school. Now with that, I'm going to show you a few other options. So we'll leave our world religions in, and we are going to have a student that is going to take Math 10C+. Now Math 10C+ is a course that allows students to take the Math 10C curriculum, but have it at a little bit of a longer time. Okay, so just a little extra time. So they're going to take Math 10C+. Let's remove this Math 10C. We're going to drag Math 10C+ into that slot, and you can see that it takes up an 8-block or an 8-credit block. Now this, then we have to fill in the backside of this one. So this student could potentially take drama still. They could then take instrumental music, and because they're taking instrumental music, we also would like them to take general music. So the easiest thing to do is put paper to pen and draw yourself an 8-block grid, and then just fill in. But remember that a 3-credit class takes up a half of a block, and a 5-credit class takes up a full block. So you can play around with the combinations. If we have a student that would like to take a 20 level science, they could potentially take a 20 level science by just making sure that there is a 5-credit slot for them to fit that in. And don't worry about what happens in the first semester and what happens in the second semester, because we are really just looking at completing course selections, and then the computer actually builds you the timetable. And then we ensure that we try to balance that out. So don't worry that this has English, science, and then a bunch of options, and then all these courses on the other side. We will make sure that it all gets scheduled properly. So as you are working through, before you enter in your course selections, put a little paper to pencil or pencil to paper and complete this by, again, drawing yourself a grid and just writing them in. And again, I would use our planning sheets to indicate which courses that we may have that are offered in 3-credit sections and in 5-credit sections. But of course, all the way through this registration process, we will meet with our students and with our parents to ensure that the timetable is set up the best way possible to make sure that our students are successful here at MMM. Have a wonderful day.